So this is just a recap from live stream 48, and I believe we are on recap 50. I think it's like 55 now. 55? Yeah, probably is. So here on the recap, let's just go over. Let's see where we are. Oh, it's 54. 54. Here on the recap, let's talk about what happened. So, after we ended stream yesterday, trading European session, we had a couple more trades. There were losers. Then eventually I went short 75 contracts, and as you could imagine, it didn't go in my favor. We had PPI news. After that, we had 30-year bond auction. Didn't go in my favor. So when scheduling allowed, I came back. I decided to see what market would do today, whether it's going to give back all the gains. So by the time I got back to the charts and I logged in, prices were somewhere around here. Could imagine somewhere. I think it was in the 80s or something. But came back. See, my execution's not even on the charts. So came back, logged in, and for some reason it booked us plus 163 gain. I imagine it's because while I was away, the orders weren't triggered for the stop and the take profits. So the order in which the orders were executed resulted in the P&L, most of this P&L here. So it was only a product of how the orders were executed on the system. It wasn't a result of any great strategy or anything like that. So that's pretty much what happened. And from there, taking a couple of trades, decided to, due to my attraction to big numbers, decided to use 50 contracts, even though it's unrealistic, but decided to use 50 contracts because I like seeing a big P&L. Imagine it's going to be the same in terms of losses as well, but that's pretty much the reason behind that. So we'll have a look at what happened here on the equity curve here. So most of this is from when I logged in. So we'll see the cumulative net gains there from when I logged in at around 10:15. So as we can see, most of those gains here. As I scroll down along here, we can see those gains on the equity curve being logged, and that was just pretty much from logging in. These are more gains being logged. Oh, hold on a second here. This isn't in order. There we go. So at 10:15 there, those were the gains. So those were just from logging in. The order in which the orders were executed. So if you follow this gray dot here, that's just showing how much of this equity curve is a result of those gains. And that's where we were. As we can see, that was a cumulative net at that time. After that, we've come in and we've taken more opportunities here, and as we can see, slowly going along with the gains, gaining constantly here. Just doing this so everyone can see, rather than just have a clickbaity thumbnail. But there we are. I think that's it. There we go, final trade. So that's where we are, almost at 100 there. So came in about 84, picked up about another 14 or so. Picked up like another 14 from where we were. and I think that we'll end it there. It's very tempting to think to probably get to 100. Certainly something I'm thinking about, but I think I'll just stay away and be happy with the gains I've made today. We just hit the generate. Those were our gains. Haven't had any losses. May just take that, take the opportunity to get to 100 here. May just
order
go
filled.
short. Let's see. May just regret this. So short there, saw buying. Not this wick. Do we retest this wick and go lower? Possibly. Let's see. Let's see what we do here. Wow. Came about 1 tick away. What is it with these 1 ticks? Not a fan of how this is developing here. We've had an X cross bearish box. So still going back down, so we should take out that 1 tick. Just don't know. There we go. There we go. Pick us up.
Target filled.
Picked us up. Picked us up on those 10 ticks. So we had the X cross. Looks like we're turning back down. So let's do that again, shall we? Let's generate. So we're just going to generate. That's where we are now. Average winner. We haven't had any losers. We've got VIX seen above 25. 100% accuracy. Came in and started doing trades based on 2 tick targets, all sorts of crazy stuff. But if we go to the analysis page, I believe this is generated. We can see the final opportunities we took there. Oh, this is not correct. So we can see it's just take us through 101, came in at 84, picked up another 15 or so, trading 50 contracts. That's about it. So I think that's it for today. We are at beyond 11 New York. And that's just going to wrap up the this summary video. So a lot of this is not a result of any great skill. It was just a case of how the system executed orders, because in reality should have been realized a big loss, but for some reason how the orders were executed resulted in a large profit. So I'm unsure why it's registered like I think based on 75 contracts, equivalent of 100 points in my favor. So not sure. Everything else was me trading cautiously, picking up another 15, trading 50 contracts. It was only about, if you look at it, maybe 10 or so points, so it's not some great amount. The P&L looks large, but it's a result of the contract, so it's only about 10 points, so the equivalent of one contract of NQ of about, say, $200. was picked up. So with that said, we're just going to wrap up this video. Thanks for watching.